One thing you know, from December start.
I'm coming home. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Like Christmas. Coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. Like Christmas. Coming like Christmas.
Good morning, guys. Look who it is.
Hey.
Live and direct in Jamaica.
Trying to
Yeah, well already.
well, to your journey.
So guys, we're about to make breakfast because we have guests, even though our guest is still gonna, you know, because he's the chef. They're not tough. Let them go and talk. Look who they.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's scramble the egg already.
Oh, see, I already prepared ready, man. Okay. Okay, we're just waiting on the franks to melt. A little bit.
Let's sit down and
Sweet, dude. All right. So, I mean, I was about to say welcome to Portland, but.
What am I talking
I know, I hear it too, but yeah, I'm gonna be a man because you're waiting there, going there.
When they,
You're waiting there, down there.
December. My mother did the 15th of December.
Me head chatting like, really?
Yes, we're blogging, man.
Right.
We're blogging.
I'm a bad at
Me see them panic bathrooms for me. You can't manage all of that? Body yada. Good morning, guys.
Come on, shut ya.
That must set down. Alright, so on the menu, I'm not tired to see the kitchen now, don't, but anyway, I have a guest in my kitchen. Alright.
We need something, man.
You need a what?
I cut them in half.
Oh, a knife?
Yeah.
You, me like, I'm small. You know, always, some of my cut them.
Oh.
Don't, sir.
As someone
I'm big, so. Me like to want them fine, so.
Oh.
So you look well.
Okay.
Let me go over here. So we need some light. Hold on, people. Fry egg. I love this, so where you put it?
Where me put there? Oh, see that. I scramble them now.
You scramble them, see matches there. Guys, no plant or nothing there. Plant me feel like feed. Even green plant, I mean it's a fancy green plant.
So
Bread. So Angel come with him. Angel is here with babe. So Mac she go like she nah no more.
I'm not dry her out. Dry her out with two of them, dry them out.
I'm not going to cry at my mama then.
Yeah, your mother try to draw things out. No, I'm trying to put them down, trying to put first though. Yeah, serious.
No, this last guy, this will do ketchup and salt and madness.
Okay.
Get them there. And then just rinse you quick and start frying on a different pot. I don't need to think, you know, scramble egg that. That shall out all like them there.
You see how much more right it. Why do I stop? Don't stop because something.
And no matter how much egg you put in a scrambled egg,
It always
still look a bit.
No, probably because when we're there at Jamaica, a different thing, a different breed of egg, you know.
You see them big. They have a regular chicken, they have 4 legs. Big. I don't know on the beach. When we don't have enough beach, I want to win in the country. All of the West people, them see a West man here.
Good gosh. Hey, we got a beach. I went 2 days ago, we got a beach, you know. We got Bulls Bay. I got a Negro. But when I drive got Negro. I got drive got just let the nigga know to them, so I'm drive got Negro and see what I go on a Negro. Did like
I mean, I don't want to waste, yeah, because we're still on at 7 o'clock. I don't want to waste such a long drive going to the grill and nothing no go on.
Well, probably about a 45-minute drive from
Look, yes, a bowl dear.
Yeah.
Is that car from your sister Mobile? How long take it to come up? It's about 4 hours?
Yeah, 4 or something more. I say more than reach. Oh, she don't eat egg, you know?
Should I take? And then we can go. And then Kim now. I mean, I see no plan from Colombia. Look for plan. He's like, Corona guy with the crack them too.
Hey! What with you?
So guys, we just cook up a lot of franks. Go drain off and wait for Top Chef to done cook. The egg made up on Frank's Beauty.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ready for friends. Oh?
Chef, say what's up to the vlog?
Say what's up, man? You wanna come in the kitchen too?
What somebody in the comments? Hey, tell Chef, hey.
I wanna go to come back. Yeah, come back.
Man.
Oh, no.
Is that my old thing in the kitchen? Oh.
No, you say a woman alone.
You ain't say I know we make sense. That you're so well before.
So long people not come here to the shop.
Long.
Oh, hey, I'm not starting the drama, you know. Not that tall, son, not that tall. Well, you know, name on the stage.
So, you over there. Me saying see a booster for cans with about top part section.
Tell her that. Say, forgot about them.
Forgot about that.
Say you rate me and you said you can rate me, yo.
In the morning now.
That's fine, yeah.
After we eat breakfast.
I'm in the north, say where it's 2 and then we can come and it's 1.
It's too late. What I really do it.
But there's a good deep part, that's what I'm saying. And it don't make sense to go put down in a bush. Too much out in a kitchen, that's what I slide. Guys, so we're just in the kitchen. I'm gonna show you what I go on, what I go on. Whole heap of egg, 1 pot of egg, scramble, 1 pot of franks.
Well, I don't know what we're gonna eat with it yet.
I don't know what I go on, like we can't get no banana for make no fritters, we can't get no plantain, no breadfruit. Like everything is like got done. Like I don't know. So bread it is, although bread. We eat piece last night with butter, nothing around. Say hey vlog.
Hey vlog.
Oh.
You don't want to take that
Wow.
good scramble egg that then.
Okay. Fluffy and all these things.
I love the thing when I put no milk in it.
Oh.
Put milk in it to make it a little extra fluffy here.
Should have some cheese to sprinkle on the toppy. What we do? Alright, so egg done. Meat up on duty now. Some braised frankfurter. We buy this Aki what do you call it? Ketchup, a shop up here. We don't usually do that, but the barrel come with everything, so we didn't want to like buy the big one, so we just bought this little one. So yeah. And then bread. So now we should go buy a plastic plate because all of them are washing the plates here. Now work. Now work. So after breakfast, so we got a river. I've been wanting to go to the river, so it kind of work out. So yeah, so I can go to the river and just relax my mind. Probably have a drink because the morning I start off so right, but yeah, tip up. But yeah, that would happen. We'll come back when the breakfast done. I'll show on everything. I want you to wash out the pot, so.
You have to wash out the pot, look good, man.
don't need a drink.
Cross contamination, you know.
Hey, if I wash a good cat, babe, don't eat egg, you know, so I want to make sure they don't taste the egg in the front. You know?
They don't worry about Relax. They don't worry. They ain't about big words.
Yeah?
They ain't about big words.
Man, y'all gonna be what?
Cross contamination. A big word for shab.
Oh, a big word that?
It's amazing well at this.
Nah, please do.
Don't make it tell the finish the pussy at all.
I don't know what to do.
The system is, you know, really bad.
Yeah, do me that.
Saturate me now.
Yeah, alright, yeah, tell you what to do. Go on. Go on. Let's leave it.
Leave me boy alone. Don't listen to me at all.
Yeah, I'm afraid.
Don't listen to me at all.
Yeah, I'm afraid.
Like I tell you, boo. Get something to wipe the pots.
Just say no, alright.
I'm alright, I'm not looking material. Shout! Shout! Come here! Not even no baba plastic plate, no. You know, I'm going to beg you. Boy, I take style and go buy in trouble, got rid of last.
Oh yeah, man, you know what this.
Let me bring it a little closer so you can see it. But you know how much vlog I have? I make the same breakfast and the problem like that girl I can't only cook this. But ask Ian Swal, don't I can't do my thing. Where you come from?
What land there?
No.
A couple times I said, Shadeya and then left there your mother.
Alright.
Alright.
You ungrateful. I don't know what steam fish you
Where you gonna go see me?
Yes, I'm never about steam fish.
Where?
Of course, yeah. She looked for steam fish the other day.
Where?
Yeah.
Me not get
I'm
one.
I'm sure of you look for steam fish, yes.
Me not get one.
That's a my man show me make steam fish.
Yeah.
I can't make steam fish. Man, only show me make steam fish.
Yeah, people they watch it.
No,
Sharp, me not make steam fish. I mean,
In a
steam fish.
Funny girl.
Not on the grill.
No. Steam fish the other
Ain't
day.
nobody there.
The chicken.
Well, we make the chicken and the fish.
If you did fresh.
Move your backside, fryer. Oh, Tada. Me no business. Me no business.
No, man, fish right alright, man. I'm
And we never have enough seasoning. Remember, say we never have me work with what my
She
God.
work for where she got her teaspoon.
Alright.
I'll fight it.
Shall I go and buy some paper?
You're ungrateful, boy, man.
Money bro.
Take the money out of it. Tell them how to get toaster. You want me 2 toaster, you know? Alright guys, I soon come back. But I'm sure.
Forward, no coming back.
We have to soon forward back. That not even make sense. That's counter it. We can't bother with them, guys.
Just say it.
Them have them when me I say come, them I say forward. I'm soon come back. See how I mean.
You're there in bed.
See how I mean.
You know there in bed.
See how I mean. That matter. Alright guys. Soon forward.
Start now.
Alright guys, so show them the finished product.
Okay.
What? Is that what we are cooking for Christmas?
I know Christmas.
Yes, I tap you for Christmas.
Wait,
You make your tea now.
Well, this is the great BrightAsDae kitchen.
that's an easy one too, nothing too fancy. But I expect no callaloo and banana and something like that. I said them something that are fine. Alright. So
This is how you cut a real bread. Wow.
and breakfast is served with a little minty. And I think we show them a little minty setting.
No, sir. Have a look at minty. You know, you see the root, right? That is not the root. That's just a piece of mint. Sweeten and all.
What is that? This one?
Can you eat one half of it?
No, I don't want so much.